Black swans, Cygnus atratus, are native to Australia and their populations are distributed throughout. However, they are more commonly found in southern and eastern regions. They have a bright orange-red colored bills with a white band at the tip. The feathers of adult black swans are all black, with an exception being in their white flight wings. Male swans are slightly larger in size and have longer, straighter bills than the females. Swans lose most of their body heat from their legs, feet, and bills. As such, when assuming a resting position, the swans often stand on one leg, keeping the other close to their body to conserve heat, and cover their bills in their feathers.
Sexual selection has evolved to be mutual in this species, in the form of decorative curled feathers. These special curled feathers, easily seen posteriorly when the swans are not in flight, are a sign of dominance, with more ornamented swans generally winning in competitive competitions, and thus having control of the higher quality nesting grounds, ensuring greater reproductive success. Swans are perhaps most famously known for their ability to mate for life monogamously, but this is not entirely true in the case of the Australian black swan. Females will often cheat on their partners to secure their reproductive success. In doing so, for every 7 cygnets raised by a male black swan, 1 on average will not be his. Heterosexual pairings see males spending more time incubating their clutches than the females. By reducing the time females spend incubating their eggs, the female's reproductive productivity is heightened, proving to also heighten the male's reproductive success. While no cygnets were observed, they are known to hatch at all times of the year, with a peak being in between June and November, winter and spring. This is due to decreasing water levels in lakes, which stimulates breeding as their preferred food source is more abundant.
Black swans also have a high prevalence of homosexual pairings. 1 in 4 pairs will be the same sex, with almost all of those pairs being male-male. In such situations, male will steal a nest from another pair, thereby also laying cygnets not of their own, or one male will mate with a female and then drive her off. These pairings seem to be beneficial in that their cygnets have a higher survival rate because of better parental protection, perhaps through their willingness to incubate eggs longer. However, the reasoning towards a wild animal's preference for homosexuality is not yet fully understood and provides an avenue for further research.